Great things don't happen by accident. They happen because exceptional people put a lot of effort into it. It's not just about Dibbits. Here, it's about the industry as a whole. So I really want to thank everybody for being here. I want to thank our own staff, especially. They put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into what you see happening here today. And if we can make everybody better, translates into success for us all. If you have any questions, you need anything from any of us, just ask any of our staff. We'll be sure to help you out. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Vendor event that Dibbits has.
It keeps getting better and better.
This event means a lot to our whole team. Probably ended around 200 contractors, 250 people.
That's a great turnout.
Yeah. Another thing I love seeing is the community. You'll look at a group of people and they'll see 7 different companies in one circle talking. Where else do you see that? They're all competition in one way or another. Maybe they work in parallel and in conjunction, but you don't really see that anywhere else. So I love seeing that.
Hey everyone, you saw a lot of the hype leading up to Vendor Day. I really want you to listen to and watch about the community that we've built together. We haven't done this on our own. This is decades in the making behind the Dibbits name, behind all the team members that are a part of Dibbits, that have been a part of Dibbits, the customer base, truly something what was captured. It's actually really touching.
And also building a greater sense of community.
People do business with people they enjoy. You see a lot of familiar faces.
They're big on community.
So involved in the community.
Because it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be busy.
And that's community.
That's our community.
It's about community and working together.
This is what Dibbits is and the community that's built here. It's not about selling, it's about helping these guys.